my name is Lauren and today I'm here with my friend and we watched a video and they made brownie in a cup with no recipe. So today that's what we're doing because it looked interesting. So we have flour, we got brown sugar, and we got white sugar, and we got eggs, and we got Nutella, and we got cocoa powder. I don't know why this was in our house, the cocoa powder.
It's a long story. Okay.
But we have it. Here we got our mugs, and we have our utensils. So, you want to use a half egg or a full egg?
I use half.
A half?
I don't know how to measure that out.
Let's just use a full egg. Wait, we need milk. You got the cashew milk, right? Or you don't want to use that? We don't have no cashew milk?
I finished it like 2 days ago. Unless we use the condensed milk.
Yeah, we can use the condensed milk, yeah. Okay, so we're using condensed milk. Wow, this is gonna be
interesting.
Look at it. I just put an egg in mine. And now, so for the condensed milk, we just use the condensed milk, we mix with water, and then it's like regular milk. I'm gonna let you do that. You can put it down.
I'm just like following you during it.
Okay, I'm gonna beat this egg. And I wanna put cocoa powder. I'm gonna put brown sugar, because brown is better.
In various forms. Alright.
Yeah, so I'm making a chocolate brownie.
I'm gonna use an egg. You said use the whole egg, right?
I'm gonna put 3, what is this, a tablespoon?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons.
Well, that's the bigger one, so yeah.
I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna use some of this milk.
This just doesn't feel right.
I'm scared. Now that we don't have milk, I'm scared about that.
Yep.
I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's not that hard. Oh, they put salt too. They put a little bit of salt. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Pink Himalayan salt.
Look at mine. Look at that.
It's lumpy.
It is lumpy. It's that.
You probably gotta sift it.
It's fine. Everything that I bake is always lumpy.
Let's change that.
It's like soupy at the same. It's like soupy and thick. It's like soup thick. Where's the...
Did you put the butter?
Oh no, I didn't.
Alright, now I'm gonna put some flour.
You just been beating that egg this whole time?
Yeah.
And I'm almost done with my brownies. Does butter even go in a brownie?
It goes in a cake.
What are we making? I thought we were making brownies.
I have no idea. I got some Nutella just in case. I don't know.
Okay.
So a teaspoon?
You told me I was a tablespoon.
Oh, this is a teaspoon. Wait, is this the same size? It doesn't matter at this point.
The butter's not melted. I should have melted the butter.
It's we'll do it now. I mean,
it's fine.
Yeah. It's your first try.
Not gonna be a second time.
Baking soda? I have some.
Yeah, a little bit.
Baking powder.
You said baking soda.
Oh, soda or powder?
I don't know. We could use this though.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Clearly, I'm not in the kitchen that often.
I didn't even know we had this. I'm having fun though.
Yeah. I'm just very scared of how it's gonna turn out.
I hope that this tastes like some.
Yeah. Alright, I got 3 whatever spoons of flour. And chocolate.
I'm trying to, cause since I didn't melt the
Butter.
I'm scared to taste it. I feel like yours is dead gonna come out better than mine.
We'll see. Cause remember the girl in the video.
Like you're taking your time. She's using the thingy, the shaky thing. I didn't even measure anything.
I'm not even. I'm just like, oh, this feels okay.
This might give me the right consistency. I'm scared to lick it.
That's what she said. Tastes good?
It's not that bad. It needs more chocolate. Yeah, it needs more sugar too.
I'm just gonna.
There's barely anything in there.
Yeah.
Put a little.
Put some salt. Oh. Put some milk.
I feel like I'm getting a lot of wrist action. Look at that wrist.
Yeah, I need more.
Alright.
She was like, I'm over this.
Okay, so I'm done. This is my consistency. I mean, I feel like that's the consistency of a muffin or whatever we're making. This is a cupcake, a brownie.
We'll see when it comes out what it chooses to identify as. Right now, I don't know, buddy. Yeah, mine is just
gooey.
What else can I add in this? Butter?
I'm dumb scared.
Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know about this other one.
You got the chocolate in the...
Oh, check it.
I don't want to stop it. You hear it?
Check it. So.
Oh, it's rising.
Oh, baking soda. How much did you put?
but it's still rising.
You really tested the limit, huh? Stand over there. So this is how mine came out.
Ooh. Look at my little brownie cupcake muffin. Look. Okay, so mine is done, and Taniekaa has hers in the microwave, and then we're gonna eat it together and see what we got going on. So this is what we got going on. I'm not mad. I'm like, this is a lot better than yours. Doesn't look done.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Mine either. All right. It is done. Oh my god, I had to go on Instagram.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so me and my roommate, we just made brownies without a recipe. Like, we just winged it. And we're gonna taste it right now. How do you do hands free? Oh wait, I know how. I know how.
Oh, Instagram, I don't know.
We just made. Stop putting it back in. You opened it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's still kind of moist. So just wait until. Okay, that's fine.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go on hands free.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but look at there though.
Okay.
Okay. I'm dumb scared.
Me too.
Taniekaa!
Oh my god.
Taniekaa, taste mine! Taniekaa!
That is disgusting.
Taste mine! It's just not
Okay.
sweet. Mine is just not sweet.
Yeah, mine isn't sweet either. Wow.
I mean, Baker! What is really good? Like, I just...
Should taste good. And it just lived up to the hype.
I does this. I cook for real. I'm a real cooker.
Pretty much. And a baker now.
And now I'm a baker!
That was disgusting. I think I didn't put brown sugar.
I don't think that really made a difference because mine is not sweet at all. I don't think mine is sweet.
Girl, taste mine.
No, I don't want
Definition
to.
of not.
Alright, let me say something,
Definition of not sweet.
I'm scared. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not bad though. The texture's okay.
Put some Nutella on it.
Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I'm a baker now.
Listen to instructions.
That too.
Unless you're Lauryn.
Also, what is it? Just get the box. Like, nobody got time to make stuff from scratch no more. So, yeah, but we clearly have time. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. This was a lot of fun, so I really do want to do this again, but I just don't know, like, something else that I could do. Maybe like a whole cake, but that's OD. That's a lot more ingredients.
Yeah.
Like, this is enough for me to waste. Like, I'm not mad at wasting this, you know? But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, please, and keep watching. Like I said, I'll see you in my next video.